Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on global search on home screen on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you are often confused about finding features or tools or application on your cell phone, don't need to be worried because now you can activate the global search so that if you want to find tools or feature, you can scroll down on home screen to open the global search. And how to turn on the feature, now you can pinch the home screen like this. And then now you can click on the settings menu. And then now you can click more. And then here you can swipe down on the home screen and then you can turn on the search global. And then so yeah, when you swipe down on the home screen, there will be open the global search like this, so that you can find any tools or feature or application on your phone easily. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on global search on home screen on Redmi Note 14, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.